Have you ever thought about what you'd like to do when you retire? How you'll see yourself? Will you be travelling around the world or living in the British countryside? Whatever your plans are, it's never too early to start thinking about your golden years. If you don't want to spend them worrying about money, planning now and thinking about opening a personal pension plan could help. When it comes to planning for retirement, it's common practice to pay money into a pension. If you live in the UK and earn over £166 a week, your employer will be putting aside national insurance contributions, which mean that when you reach retirement, you'll be able to claim the state pension. You may also be enrolled in a workplace pension, which means a portion of your earnings are set aside for your golden years. But that's not all there is. There are other options too, such as a personal pension. A personal pension gives you control and flexibility over your retirement pot. Not only does it allow you to decide and make your own contributions, but it also gives you greater flexibility about how you invest, be that in shares, bonds or property.
The good thing with personal pensions, or self-invested personal pensions, is that you'll get a 25% top-up, which can help maximise your potential returns in the long run.
That means if you want to add £100 to your personal pension, you only need to put in 80, and the government will put in the remaining 20. There is an annual limit on the amount of contributions you can make. It's either £40,000 or the totality of your earnings, whichever is lower. Many people think they'll be just fine with a state and workplace pension. But with the cost of living increasing all the time, many of us could be in for a nasty shock. As things currently stand, typically you'll need at least £260,000 to live a comfortable retirement lifestyle. This number might sound scary and impossible to reach. But by thinking about it now and taking steps like starting a personal pension could help boost your retirement income in your golden years. Opening a personal pension is easy. With digital investing platforms like Wealthify, you can get going in just a few clicks. All you have to do is pick your risk level and tell us how much you want to invest, and we'll do the rest for you, from choosing the investments to managing them on an ongoing basis. And we also sort out the government top-up automatically each time you make a contribution. It really is effortless.